how-to with SBBlooms. And just a reminder for everyone on how this series works. Every Monday we poll our Instagram audience on a trending Pinterest install that we've seen on all of our feeds. You pick the install that you want to see and the collection you want us to recreate it with, and we post a how-to on our YouTube channel the following Monday. If you want to say in what install we create next, follow us on Instagram at SBBlooms and vote every Monday. Last week, y'all voted on this install, and we're gonna show you how to do that today. So here are the products that you need to recreate this look. The first product we used is the Olivia Garland. We used 2 strands of this to create a fuller look, like you can see behind us. And then we used 4 Olivia Posies and we connected them to create a swag, which we'll show you how to do later in the video.
And then we used 1 gold large lantern, and all of our lanterns come with a LED candle in them, so you don't have to worry about getting a candle.
Next up, the tools you need are some zip ties, command hooks, and wire cutters. If you don't have wire cutters, scissors are just fine. Those are all the products and tools needed. Now let's get into the install.
So first we're going to start with 2 garland. We're using Olivia today, and we're going to take the 2 and connect them together with zip ties to make it more of a fuller look. So you're going to look at the back and just find where the mechanics are and put the zip tie through and connect it that way. And you're gonna do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times down.
This is a little bit more tricky. I would say difficulty so easy. This is like a DIY level 1. And then
first, I would recommend placing it in the spot you want it first, just to see how it would kind of look. So once you have your places where you think it's gonna go, you're gonna take some command hooks. So I would recommend putting the command hook on the mirror itself.
And then I would put another one down here, but almost sideways.
The next step, you will take a zip tie and loop it through the existing zip tie that you put the garland together with, and kind of make a loop like this, so that you are able to hook it on the command hook, and then once it's on there, you'll tighten it.
And I have loops too. Okay.
Once you put the loop on the mirror like this, you will go ahead and tighten it as tight as you can.
And then hook it on zip tie and then tighten it.
Now that you have everything connected, you can go ahead and move everything the way you want. The next step to this install is making the swag to put on the top of the lantern that's going to go at the bottom of the mirror. For this swag, we're going to use 4 posies. And then first thing you want to do is put them like this width apart and zip tie the center of both together. Then you're going to take one more and lay that on top and zip tie that. And then you'll take the last one and put it on the opposite side and hide the stems with the leaves and the flowers and zip tie that. So once you have all of this together, you're gonna clip the excess zip ties. And then you're left with this. Get a lantern, and this edge of the lantern is perfect for the flowers to just fit right there and zip tie that. So you're gonna take another zip tie and feed it through the whole piece that you just put together, and then make sure it's gonna fit and go behind, and don't do it too tight yet, just so you can kind of feel and see how you want it first. Once you get it in a place that you love, you are gonna tighten it and kind of make sure everything looks okay. The last step is to just place the lantern in front of your mirror, kind of on the side, but just almost make it kind of go into the garland.
All right, everyone, and that is how you do this easy mirror Olivia collection install. You can recreate this with any of our collections. Don't get stuck on this being Olivia. And just a reminder, this is a part of our How To with SBBlooms series, where you get to vote on a trending Pinterest install, and we recreate it with our premium silk flowers. If you want to say in what we create next week, vote on our Instagram. If you like this video, like, subscribe, check
Comment.
back for more.
Yes.
We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.